fine, really. Okay, who wants to lick the spoon? Ah. Yeah, but I was working on the cake. Nom, 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 nom. Very buttery, very chocolatey. Very nice. Yes. Very heavy. This is gonna be instant death if you would eat more than one piece of this cake. I'm gonna put some warm water in here, otherwise I'm going to have to scrape it all down. It's very sad that it's such a messy thing. Oh, would you look at that? It looks so perfect. And it smells very good. Add beef stock and a bundle of thyme. That's what we're gonna do now. So I have 1 liter and 400 of beef stock. And broth. Water time, more alcohol. Yeah, I'm not gonna add the sherry. It's just gonna be the broth and the thyme. It does look very tasty. Now that I see it, I could have put it in the Harry Potter casserole, but it's fine. No, I might have cognac, yeah. I might have cognac. That's an idea. I might just pour myself a glass of wine too while we're on it.